Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quickly enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Airdrop requires both to transfer. Once done, open Control Center and set airdrop visibility to contacts only or everyone depending on who sends the file. Make sure your iPhone screen is unlocked so prompts appear. When the other device initiates the share, a preview pops up. Tap Accept. This initial acceptance is the gate. Without it, the transfer won't proceed, so respond immediately to start the transfer. Once you accept, the receiving app depends on file type. Photos land in Photos and appear in Recents. Videos appear alongside images. Documents, PDF, and ZIPs open into the Files app. Check Recent first, then iCloud Drive or the On My iPhone folder because the default location varies. Contacts or vCards import into Contacts. Notes may prompt opening in Notes. If you're unsure, open Files and use the search bar with the sender's name or a file extension to find the transfer. To finish, confirm the file opened correctly in its app and move it to a permanent folder or album. If you can't find the transfer, check recent notifications or reopen the app that should have received the file. If problems persist, toggle AirDrop visibility or briefly restart the iPhone to reset network services. As a last resort, ask the sender to rename and resend or switch their AirDrop to everyone. This often resolves visibility or pairing issues and completes the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.